Lesson 4, we're going to discuss the remote, interior, angles of a triangle, and the exterior angles of a triangle and their connection. Okay, so when I say connection, I mean what's the relationship between the remote interior angles of a triangle and the exterior angle. So what I mean by that is I'm going to draw a triangle and I'm going to draw an exterior angle. So basically this line just continues and this is going to give me my exterior angle. This is a symbol for angle. I'm going to name this A, this angle B, and this angle C. Notice that this exterior angle and C share a line. So that makes those two angles together supplementary angles. In other words, this angle plus this angle adds up to 180 degrees. Now, the theorem states that angle A plus angle B equals whatever this exterior angle's measurement is. So what that means is that what we're trying to prove is that the remote interior angles, meaning the ones that are not connected to the exterior angle, will always together add up to be the same measurement as the exterior angle. So that means that angle A plus angle B equals exterior angle, and let's name that D. Okay, so again, angle A plus angle B, known as the remote interior angles, and think of a remote control, it's not touching the TV. Let's say this exterior angle is your TV, and these two angles are not touching it, they're remote. They're not connected to it like C. So the theorem basically states again that angle D is equal to A plus B. So what that does is it helps us solve problems and find missing angles. So for example, let's try this problem. Let's say that we have a triangle, and I know I didn't draw that very well. And let's say that its exterior angle is 112 degrees. Okay, so I made the exterior angle right here. These are the three interior angles. This angle, which is a remote interior angle to this exterior angle, and this angle, we're going to name or give a measurement of 32 degrees. This is angle A, B, and this is angle C right here. Now, what we just discussed was the fact that an exterior angle measures the sum of the interior remote or the remote interior angles. So this is one and this is the other. So we can add these two angles together and we know that they will equal 112. So we're going to write that down in an equation. X plus 32 equals 112 degrees. Now how are we going to solve this using algebra? Well, you know how to do this. We subtract 32 from both sides. And when we do that, we end up with 80 degrees. So 32 minus 32 is 0. So therefore, x is equal to 80 degrees. So this angle right here is 80 degrees. Let's check it. And we'll know if we answered this correctly, or we found the correct answer for x, if 32 plus 80 equals 112. Well, let's see. 80 plus 32 equals 112, because 8 plus 3 is 11 and you have the 2. So 112 degrees, check. We know we did it correctly.